Sanding segmented rings flat in order to facilitate a glue up has been a challenge. So this came to me in the middle of the night to try to build a jig using the Shopsmith to flatten these and sand these down more efficiently and to keep my knuckles intact. I've grown quite attached to them. So let me know what you think in the comments. Trying to get more subscribers, I suppose, but maybe this will help somebody out who's got a Shopsmith and doesn't know how to use it either. Oh, you want to place bets on whether or not this is going to work? After using this jig, I was able to glue up the bowl, and everything went together pretty nicely. It wasn't perfect, and I needed to put some new sandpaper on the disc, which is there in the background, but I was too lazy to put it on. Really, I wanted to see if my idea would actually function, and I was pleasantly surprised. I was really happy with this result. You see me trying to rock it back and forth to see if there's any noticeable gaps, but everything seemed to be okay. When it glued up, there were no gaps, but I had some other issues. You'll see that next time. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, or share, or do all four.